What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you. And if by the end of this video you like what you see, then go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I trim my natural hair. And this is what my hair looks like. It's freshly washed and freshly deep conditioned. It has no product in it, and I blow dried it. So this is what it looks like after I literally just got done blow drying it. Disclaimer, I am not a professional whatsoever, but I did take cosmetology for 3 years in high school, so I have a little bit of knowledge on how to trim hair. But with that being said, this is how I trim my natural hair. I'm not encouraging anyone to cut their hair. If you do not know what you're doing, I recommend that you go to a professional and get your hair trimmed. But if you're comfortable with doing it, then go ahead, you know what I'm saying? So if you would like to know how I trim my hair, then keep on watching. Alright, so when you're trimming your hair, you want to always make sure you're using shears or hair scissors. So these are my shears. I believe that these came in when I was, like I told you, I took cosmetology for 3 years in high school. So when I got my hair kit that came with all my supplies and stuff, I got a pair of shears in the bag, and I also went to the beauty supply store and picked up me another pair. So you can get some from the beauty supply store for around $10 to $13. They are a little pricey, but it's worth it. So you want to always make sure you cutting your hair with hair scissors and not paper scissors, because that can cause more damage to your natural hair when you're using scissors that's not for natural hair or for hair period. So what I'm going to do first is section off my hair. And I always section off my hair no matter what I'm doing. If I'm doing a style, anything, I always section off my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this section, and I'm gonna split this section into smaller sections. So what I'm gonna do first is, actually I'm gonna split this in half because it's actually way too big. Alright, and I never really comb my hair with a rat tail comb, like go through my hair with a rat tail comb, unless I'm trimming my hair. So that's the only time I go through and comb my hair with a rat tail comb. You need a rat tail comb so that you can get out all the tangles, because you don't want to be trimming your hair while your hair has any type of tangles or knots in it. So you want to make sure you're using a rat tail comb. Okay, and I know you can tell when you need a trim when you can comb easily through your what is this called? Through the shaft of your hair, and then when you get to the end, it's hard to comb through. Enough with it. When it's hard to like see, I'm gonna need to cut it because I can't even pull through it. That's how I know when I need a trim. When my hair is like where it's see-through it, that's where I need a trim. As you can see, like my hair is thick right here in this section right here, and then it's all thin right there. That's what I'm going to be trimming. I've been cutting my hair the same way ever since before I went natural. So when I was relaxed, I was trimming my hair by myself. So and when I trim my hair, I don't like to cut like down like this. I like to cut at an angle. When I cut my hair straight down and cut it like even all around, then I manipulate my hair more when I go to style it. Like when I do my twist outs or wash and goes or anything like that, I noticed that I pick at my hair more. And I think that's because your hair don't have shape. When you cut your hair and you don't cut it at an angle and you just cut it straight down, you're not cutting a shape. You just basically cutting your hair blunt instead of like a, you know, a layered cut. And I like to take these two fingers when I'm cutting my hair, and I am gonna, like I said, I'm gonna cut at an angle. I'm gonna cut about that much of my hair. So I'm gonna snip, snip, snip. Alright. After you cut your hair, you're gonna notice a big difference, because literally my comb is gliding through my hair now. Like, look at that. At first I was not able to do that. Alright. And when you're cutting your hair, you want to make sure you're taking small sections. You don't want to be cutting a whole bunch of hair at one time. You want to make sure you're taking relatively small sections when you're cutting your hair. I forgot to also mention that trimming your hair doesn't always have to be because you have split ends or single strand knots or any type of damage. You should also trim your hair because when you trim your hair, it prevents you from getting damaged. So that's another reason why you should trim your hair often. Alright, and so once I'm done with that section, this is what it looks like. Take my big comb tool. Well, I only have like a little bit of color left on my end, so it's completely gone right here. You can see a little bit back here, but right here is my hair. This is my natural color. Alright, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this back section, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys a little bit of this front section. I feel like I have to have some type of color in my hair. Am I the only one? Comment down below if you feel like you have to have some type of color in your hair, because I do. I can't. I need some color. Like, this is so plain. I got my ends clipped. Ayy, I got my ends clipped. Ayy, I got my ends clipped. Ayy, I got my ends clipped. Ayy. Alright, y'all, so this is what my hair looks like once I'm completely finished. Very healthy. Healthier. Is that a word? Healthier? I don't think that's a word. Healthier. Healthy. It's healthy now. Shit. As you can see, it's no more color left. So I get a lot of people asking me all the time, how do you get your hair to look like that? Oh my god, your hair looks so healthy. What do you do? I know this one girl, I asked her, I said, do you clip your ends? I was like, when was the last time you got your ends clipped? And she was like that she had been natural for a year, and throughout that whole year she never got her ends clipped. It's so important to clip your ends. Even though I kind of like I fell off from my since my last trim, because I waited like 5 months. It's been like 5 months since I had a trim. So yeah, I'm usually on point with trim my hair. So I make sure I trim at least every 3 months, or when I feel like I need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you're not subscribed to my channel, Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And if you like this video, hit that like button, and also make sure you comment down below if you have any suggestions of any videos you want to see. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.